At Z-Tronix, one of our specializations is in electromechanical box build assemblies. As an experienced leader of the industry, we manage tooling and stock material to custom design, prototype, assemble, test and distribute for the endless variety of box build assembly configurations on the market. To start, our electromechanical box build assembly division offers a build to order and configure to order to maximize the level of customization. Second, a design and engineering of internal mechanical components to match your configuration. Third, the component and sub-assembly installation. Fourth, the routing of cables and wire harnesses for a tidy and organized presentation. Fifth, software loading and product configuration. Sixth, test the electromechanical box build assembly for the best performance results. And lastly, custom package and label per customer's requirements. Electromechanical box build assemblies are used throughout many industries, such as but not limited to the medical, commercial and home-grade appliances, mobility enhancement, and the environmental industry. This comes as no surprise, as is evident that a handful of applications in these industries and other industries require the use of box build assemblies, such as medical diagnostic devices, stoves and many other appliances, elevators, wheelchair ramps and lifts, UV water filtration systems and environmental solution controls. Along with the variety of unique capabilities mentioned previously, dedicated time and expertise is required to manufacture quality-certified electromechanical and box build assemblies. Therefore, manufacturers that require electromechanical box build assemblies in their applications can fully rely on Z-Tronix's readiness and equipment that's ideal for box build solutions by calling 562-808-0800 today.